Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. There definitely happens to be one day in the week when we feel like eating something spicy and delicious, especially non-veg. The only problem is that one cannot go out and how to prepare it at home. So try this Chicken Bhuna Masala Dry. You will enjoy eating this. To make Chicken Bhuna Masala, I have taken 300 grams of chicken, which I have cut into small square pieces. To marinate the chicken, I have taken 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, salt as per taste, and half tablespoon of black pepper powder. And also we will add juice of half lemon in it. Then for the gravy of chicken bhuna, here I have used dry spices, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 medium spoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken masala powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Then I have taken 4 to 5 cashew paste here, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon green chili paste, and 1 tablespoon of dry fenugreek leaves. Here I have chopped 4 onions, 2 tomatoes and 1 green chili. And here is 50 grams of butter and 50 ml oil. Here I have taken some green coriander for garnishing. So first of all we will marinate the chicken. We will add ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, salt and black pepper powder, and a little lemon juice to the chicken, and we will mix it well and keep this chicken to marinate for half to 1 hour. Now we will take a pan and add oil and butter in it. We will let the butter melt completely. As soon as the butter melts, we will add onion, tomato and green chili to it. Here we will fry the onion and tomatoes on medium to high flame till they become translucent while turning continuously. Be careful that we don't have to overcook them. Just fry them until the onion and tomatoes become soft. So within 2 to 3 minutes, the onions and tomatoes has become soft and ready. So now we will add cashew paste, ginger garlic paste and green chili paste. We will continuously stir these three and fry them until their rawness goes away. As soon as the spices are cooked, their aroma will start emanating. So now we will add all the dry spices in it, leftover lemon juice and a little water. We will also fry the spices on a medium to high flame while turning continuously. If needed, we will add water little by little to it and keep roasting the spices so that they get cooked properly and the rawness goes away. So after frying the spices well for 3 to 4 minutes, these spices are cooked. Now we will add marinated chicken in it, some coriander leaves and dry fenugreek leaves. We will also add cup of normal water in it, and then we will mix the chicken with the gravy well. After mixing the chicken, we will let it cook on a medium to slow flame for 5 to 7 minutes so that the chicken gets cooked properly and becomes soft and the spices and chicken mix well with each other. We will cook it by turning it in between so that the spices don't burn. If necessary, we will also add some water. We don't have to add much water to it. Just add as much water as the spices and chicken gets cooked because we need a gravy dry. So after covering and cooking for 5 to 7 minutes, all the water in the chicken has been burnt and the chicken has also become soft. If water remains, then we will let the chicken simmer without covering the pan so that all the water gets burned. So here our street style and restaurant like Chicken Bhuna Masala Dry is ready. It's very delicious, requires less spices and is ready in very short time. So if you also like spicy food, then do try this recipe and do tell by commenting how you like the recipe, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.